Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and happy hump day. We're halfway through the week, thank gosh, 'cause it's been a long one. But I just wanted to hop on here because I know it's been a while since I've done a video. And I've had some people who follow along on my blog. And if you don't follow along, I'll link it below. You can follow me on there. But if most of you don't know, I have started a health and fitness journey. And I'm by no means fit or anything, but it's a start, and I try to go to the gym every day. I was supposed to go tonight after work, but my stomach isn't feeling the greatest, so I figured what better way to spend my night than to shoot you guys a video. So there's a couple things I want to talk about in today's video. One of them being my workout routine and some of the healthy foods that I'm trying to eat, as well as meal prep. So like I said, I try to go to the gym between 4 and 5 times a week. Now, obviously, you know, stuff comes up that might not happen, or like tonight, I'm not feeling the greatest. But for the most part, I do try to go 4 to 5 times a week for roughly an hour to an hour and a half, give or take, depending on how busy the gym is, if I stay late at work, if I have something going on after work. But that's usually like my time frame. So anyways, I just got a package in the mail from Amazon, and I'll kind of show you guys some of like what I use when I work out. So I'm really excited to try these, but I just ordered some resistance loop bands, and they help with becoming stronger, losing weight, slimmer stomach. It helps you to stretch like your arms. So like if you were to go like this, you can use them to help stretch. It helps with rehab, and then it helps with balance. So this is the package. You can see that. Let's go ahead and open it up here. And I went with this one because they had the best reviews. So it looks like it comes with a user manual on like different ways that you can use these bands. I pretty much just want to use them for my legs when I'm doing the barbell with squats. So I ordered the peach color, I believe. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I ordered the peach color, but you can get like all these different colors. So they come in different sizes, or different strengths, I guess. So this one is extra light, and then it goes to light, and then it goes to medium, and then heavy, and then extra heavy. And that's just how like tight they are, you know, the weight basically around your legs. So I'm excited to try those out. I have one, but it's not like a band like this. It's like just the straight where it's not connected, and I got that when I had my foot surgery, and so I figured I would give these a shot, just for like my legs, because I'm trying to basically get my legs more toned and strengthened. And then it does come with this little carrier case too. So that's that. And then I ordered a new workout top, which excited. Ooh, it's really soft. Really excited to try. So it's just a tank top, and I think I got it in a large. Yeah, I got it in a large because I don't like my workout shirts to stick to me. So it's just a tank top. I got it in blue. It's a really pretty blue color, and it's just kind of flowy. And then it looks like this in the back, which is really, really cool. So it's kind of open. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's just open in the back. So That's really, really soft. I can link this below too if you guys are looking for a nice workout shirt. Okay, so another essential, I guess I'll call it, that I need when working out is, and if you're working out alone, this is like an essential for me, but if I'm working out with like a friend or someone, then obviously this isn't as much of an essential for me, but I love bringing my Beats headphones. So these literally just sync right up to my phone, and then I can literally put them on, turn my music on, and knock out my workout without anyone bothering me. So those are like the must-haves. Oh, and then obviously I take water. And then I wanted to show you guys too, just because I'm drinking one right now. But every time I get done in the gym, I like to drink a protein shake. This one is from Walmart. It's high performance. This flavor is vanilla, and it's 30 grams of protein, you guys. 30 grams of protein. So this is really good. You want to drink protein or eat some sort of protein after working out, especially if your body hurts. But I would highly recommend these. I think a pack of 4 is like $6 at Walmart. So they are on the kind of on the pricey end, but I'm not a huge meat eater, so these are really, really good for me. Okay, so there's that. Okay, so now, you just heard me mention my blog, and I'm going to show you guys kind of what it looks like in case you're wondering. If you follow me on Instagram, I have the link in my Instagram page. However, if you don't have a WordPress account, then I've been told that you can't look at it, but you can. You just have to click the top where it says sign up or view Brittany's Espresso Yourself blog. So if you click that, then it'll take you to my homepage. And my homepage looks like this. Let's see, without a glare, if you guys can see that. So that's what my page looks like. And I was gonna kind of go through with you guys too a little bit of my workout routine. And I'm gonna post a whole video on here of my workout routine and like the different machines that I do, because honestly, I mix up my routine pretty much every day. Like I don't always stick to the same routine. So I wrote on my blog, and if you want to go there and check it out, I'll leave my link below. But basically kind of how my routine goes is I try to hop on the rower, and I usually do that for a minimum of 10 minutes. I never go less, but I usually never go more. So a minimum of 10 minutes on the rower, and then I do the hip abductors. So that's the one where you sit on the chair, and then you either push your legs out or you push your legs in. So I do both of those. And people ask me, you know, how many reps do you do, that kind of stuff. So I usually push, like, I'll start with like 85 pounds, and then I'll do 4 reps, but I won't do 4 reps of 85. I'll do 4 reps, and then I'll keep increasing the weight. So I usually end with like 120, I think, is what I end with. So I do both of those machines, 4 reps of 15. So I count to 15, take a 30-second break, count to 15 again, 30-second break, and so on and so forth. And then I like to move to the abdominal machine, and that's where you sit, and then you put your feet down, and then you hold your arms, and you push like this with your stomach. You can feel it in your stomach. So I do same thing. I do 4 reps of everything I do, and I count to 15. And it really depends on weight. That one I do like 60 pounds. So just kind of depends. The next one I do is the chest press, and I love the chest press. This one's a little bit more challenging for me. I don't know why, but I usually push, I want to say like 30 pounds on the chest press. So it's not as good as it could be, but you know, it's a start. And then I move to the leg press, and I love the leg press. It's my favorite, especially on leg days. This machine I do 85 pounds. Again, it's my goal is to get higher, obviously, as everybody's goal is to get higher, but it's a good start. When I first started with the leg press, I think I was at like 30 or 45 pounds. So I've increased quite a bit. And then I moved to the, let's see, which one? The lat pull down. So that's where you sit and the bar is like higher up like this, and you pull all the way down and then up and then down and then up. I usually do between 30 and 45 pounds on that one. Kind of depends on how my arms are feeling and what I've done prior to that. And then I moved to the leg curl. Now I do the leg curl where you're laying on your stomach and you push up with your feet. And then I also do the leg curl where you're sitting and you push up this way with your feet. So there's two different kinds. I like to do both of them, especially when I'm doing legs. And then I go to the tricep push down, and that's where you have those, it kind of looks like a V. It's like a little rope with like little, like, I don't want to say balls, but you know what I'm talking about. So you push down, but you want to keep your arms straight when you're coming down. So on arm days, I usually do 20 to 25, 30 pounds of those. I usually do that more towards the end of my workout just because I like to work more like my lower body, and then I like to move more towards like the weights and stuff. And then I moved to barbell squats, and that is what I wanted these for, just to have a little extra weight. So right now I'm lifting 15 pounds. I could lift more, but when my legs are already jello, I don't want to put more on my arms. And if you go to Planet Fitness, which is where I work out, this machine, they have 3 of them and they're always full. So to get one of these machines is really, really difficult. So 9 times out of 10, I can't start my routine with this machine because they're already taken and there's usually a line for them. So I'm not gonna waste time by standing in line when I could be doing, other machines. So that is usually what I end with. So that is a kind of a brief, I guess, like workout routine. That's what I've kind of been sticking to. There are different workouts that I want to try, but as of right now, I haven't been able to try anything different just because I go after work, which is like 4:45 to 5, and I found that that's like the rush hour at the gym. So I want to try to start going just a little bit later, like maybe 7 or 8, just so that it's not as busy, and then I can get the machines that I want and I'm not fighting or waiting in line for the machines. So that is my workout routine as of right now. In terms of healthy eating though, honestly, I go to Pinterest for everything. There you can find so many good recipes on Pinterest, but it's also not about, like, you don't have to eat super healthy and meal prep all the time. It's okay to have a cheat day or just proportion things out. You don't have to be like super strict on yourself, because it is really hard, and changing your eating habits is one of the hardest things of the weight loss journey. That's something that I'm struggling with myself. So I'd be lying if I said that I didn't eat potato chips, but I don't eat an entire bag of potato chips. I eat like a handful of potato chips, and my hands aren't that big. So a handful for me is like not that many potato chips. So, if you want that pizza, go eat that pizza. But instead of eating the whole pizza, maybe just eat like a couple slices of the pizza, right? So it's just about proportioning things, and we're eating less calories or burning more calories than you eat. I also use MyFitnessPal, which is a really helpful app to kind of show you where you're at in your calories for the day. So if you don't use that, I would highly recommend that. And then I also wanted to talk to you guys about, I'm really excited. I recently partnered with a leggings company called F3 Activewear. So F as in Frank, the letter 3 or the number 3, and then activewear. And I will link their website below. I'm waiting for my leggings to come in the mail, but I'm really excited for this opportunity because taking on this fitness journey, I love, like, there's literally nothing more than having workout leggings that are really comfortable to wear during your workout. And so I am excited to announce this partnership with them. This video is not sponsored though, but I just wanted to kind of share some information. So they have leggings and then tops, and if you guys are interested, check out their link below. But if you guys are interested in purchasing anything, they did provide me with a code for you guys for 15% off of your purchase. So that code is Brittany, and I will leave that in the description below for you guys as well. So code Brittany will get you 15% off. So instead of $60, you pay $50. So go ahead and use that code. I would love you guys to support me. I want to help you guys be comfortable in your workout, because there's nothing more than feeling confident but comfortable. So go ahead and check them out, and once I get my leggings in the mail, I'll go ahead and do a video where I'm opening them, trying them on, kind of going through the material and what they feel like, and just kind of showing you guys so you can get a better understanding of them. But if you want to check them out, I'll leave their link below. So I'm very excited about that. Then I also wanted to reach out to you guys to see if any of you are currently using essential oils, or if you're interested in using essential oils. And the reason I ask is because my boyfriend and I have decided that we want to go more on the natural side of things. So we don't use Clorox wipes anymore. We always used to use those on our counters and stuff. And so we're just really trying to get away from stuff that you would purchase at Walmart, Target, Meijer, any of those stores where there's a lot of harsh chemicals that you don't necessarily want, you know, on your body or on your countertops, or, you know, that kind of stuff. So we are trying to do that. And so the reason I'm asking is because I'm looking into getting involved with Young Living, and I would like to get some feedback from you guys on if you would be interested in, you know, trying these products, helping me kind of grow my business with Young Living, and, you know, kind of see where it goes. So if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and either leave a comment below, or if you follow me on Instagram, go ahead and message me on Instagram. Otherwise, if you want to, if you're one of my close friends and you want to snap me or text me, you can go ahead and do that too. But either way, if it's something you'd be interested in and a journey you would like to take with me, go ahead and just let me know. And then I can always do a video on that as well. But it is something that I was considering trying. So, all right, guys, that is going to wrap up today's vlog. I do need to hopefully feel a little bit better and maybe hit the gym tonight. But if you guys have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you don't follow my health and fitness page on Instagram, I will also link that, so you can go ahead and follow me there. And there I post, you know, my fitness, foods that I, you know, different meals that I eat. And then also I'll post my activewear journey with F3. And if I do get into essential oils, I will post there as well. So go ahead, check out my Instagram page. Go ahead and check out my blog. And I will talk to you guys all later. See you in the next one. Bye.